Today, we're bringing the passion, color, and unforgettable flavors of Spain straight to your kitchen with one of its most legendary dishes, Spanish paella. Let's begin. We have our onions and celery. A generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil begins to shimmer in a pan. Into the pan they go. Next come the tomato paste. Then the garlic paste. Long grain rice is gently stirred into the pan, coating every grain with a flavorful mixture. Rich seafood stock mixed with paprika, saffron, sazon and salt are poured in, creating the foundation of this iconic Spanish dish. Let's cover it to cook for some minutes. Now it's seafood's turn to shine. Sweet calamari, juicy shrimp, fresh scallops are carefully arranged. Within a few, our food is ready. please like and subscribe.